Welcome, ladies, to Love to Be Active, where we educate ourselves on fitness, fat loss, and on nutrition. I'm Keisha, the fitness coach, and today I'm sharing with you this 5-minute workout that you can do to work your whole body. So I'm going to put it on the screen now. Now, what you see is a 30-day challenge that you absolutely can do. It's short, it's effective, and it progresses each week for 4 weeks. Now, you can do one set, meaning you can do the routine once, and you can really take your time with it, focus on getting the technique just right, and you can see the benefits from doing just that, doing it one time. Or you could do the routine 2 to 3 times and make it into a cardio workout by leaving a 10-second gap maximum between each exercise. That will make it into a cardio and a resistance workout, and you'll really feel the burn. So watch this until the end and I will demonstrate each exercise. Or you could take a screenshot now and tap out if you need to. That's absolutely fine. And I tell you what, if you commit to 30 days, you will lay the foundation stones for success. It doesn't have to be 30 continuous days. We're human, we will miss days. But try not to miss 2 or maximum 3 days in a row. Really push yourself, because this challenge is to hardwire your mind, it's to hardwire your intention towards a movement mindset. And once you've done this challenge for 30 days, you will have built a habit. And that's what we need. These are the first steps to making a habit of exercise. At that point, there'll be no going back to the you that you were 30 days prior. Do nothing and see how fast you will degrade. But if you do something, even do little but often, you'll only see improvement from there on. That's just the science to it. It's a great theory that anything that's being measured will be improved. And this 30-day challenge, this is the tool that you need to measure yourself. It has tick boxes there. You can tick it off as you go, and you can really measure how much effort you're putting into change. Now, here's a tool for you to assess whether you're really serious about change or whether you're just playing about with it. Many of us, we think that we're doing everything we can do, we're putting in our all, but until we start to measure it, until we start to track it, we see that there's more that can be done. We can be more consistent. We can put in a little bit more effort. And this tool is introductory to do just that. It's brutal, ladies, I know, but it's either one of two things. Either you're doing something to help yourself or you're doing nothing to help yourself. Okay, here are the exercises. So we have the lunge. Lunges are great. They work your glutes, your tricep, your quadriceps, and your hamstrings, not your triceps, they're in your arms. So what you need to do is go as low as you can go. Ideally, get yourself 2 90-degree legs, or as low as you can go. That's absolutely fine. Any leg muscles, they are great. Legs are a huge muscle group, and you're really getting your heart pumping as well, just being able to move your legs. Push up, that's what's next. Now, kneeling is absolutely fine. You're going to work your chest muscles, your pectorals, your shoulders, which are your deltoids, and you're going to work your triceps as well, the muscles in the back of your arm. Then we have the ab curl. Of course, you're working your abs. So put your hands at your thighs and then reach up to your knees and keep your head looking forward at all times. Now, this is a great move. The next one, the squat, it's a big compound move. You're going to work your quadriceps, your hamstrings, your glutes as well. And they engage the core, the calves, and back muscles. A great compound move. Then we have the tricep dip. Of course, working your tricep muscles as well as your shoulders and your chest as well. And then we're going to finish off with the dreaded plank. You better learn to love it. It works the core primarily, but it also works the back, the shoulders, the arms, your hips, and your legs as well. So that in itself is a great full body workout. Now, do you remember when you was a child, you used to run, used to jump, skip, dance, play, jiggle and wiggle, like literally just because? So why have we stopped doing that? Why have we got to an age where we feel that we shouldn't run, jump, dance, skip, and do all the most? So this is now why, when we get into middle age, we need to start reintroducing this. We need to know that we need to exercise and move all parts of our bodies. I'm sure there's some parts of our bodies that really haven't had a good stretch or a good move for a while. And we really need to get our heart pumping as well, for the health of our heart and for our overall health as well. So there are many, many benefits to exercising in our middle age and as we're approaching later life. We're talking improved heart health, increased energy levels as well. And it's amazing because it helps to reduce the risk of some of the big diseases like heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and help to reduce the risk of falls as we approach later life as well. And if all of those things aren't enough, it just helps to keep you looking and feeling great. You'll feel great in yourself. Can you imagine what you would do with boost energy levels? You might say, oh, Keisha, I'm not disciplined enough. Keisha, I'm so busy. My life is so hectic. Ladies, exercise is not a luxury. It's not me time. It's something you must do. It's vital. It's vital because it doesn't just benefit yourself, but it benefits those around you as well. And guess what? Discipline is built. So practice it daily. Now, here is a 5 minute workout. It starts out at 5 minutes. As you progress week on week, you'll see that it gets to about 10 minutes, 15, depending on how many times you want to repeat it. Do this. Work all the parts of your muscles, all the muscles in your body, ladies. And let me know how you feel. Eat more good food, eat well, move more, and live well. I am Keisha, the fitness coach. If this video has helped you, please like and subscribe.